My last lecture, micro calculator program coding is here. I use three digits variable and first, second, third digit. I binary use. Last lecture I learned you about this binary. Okay, so check and correct your coding. So today we talking about mathematical operators. So what is the mathematical operators like? Mathematical operator like 3 plus 4 is adding, 3 into 2 is a multiplication, 15 divided by 3 is a divide, 4 minus 3 is subtraction, and 4 into 4 is a exponent like 2 power of 2, 6 power of 2, 5 power of 5, like that. Okay, so we use a shortcut of PEMDAS. PEMDAS is a shortcut form is 6 six six tools of Python. Like Pertinax is divide, so it divide like bracket, exponent is power, into multiplication is plus, divide by is uh, 1, and adding 1, sorry, divide and adding plus, and subtraction is minus. This is a PEMDAS formula, you can remember that. Okay, so now going to real life example. Like we print out, we print we print normal 4 into 4 plus 4 divided by 4 minus 4. This is what is the answer of that. It will calculate the entire line of codes, but the orders matters. Like is 13. So is uh, first is use 4 into 4, 4 into 4, then plus, second calculation plus 16 4 20, 20 divided by 4 5. This is a first calculation is 4 into 4 16, 4 divided 4 1, and 16 plus 1 divided minus 4 is 13. This is a normal calculating, but uh, you have a little challenge, and you can play with it, and I show you the result. But is the And I give you another challenge for how can change instead of getting 13 we get 4. Most important tool is Pythanis. Remember that most important tool is Pythanis. Like if I adding bracket between, then is my answer is 4, like that. Okay, and when I bracket some wording is the highest priority of Python. Okay, and I give you next exercise is I give you next exercise. I give you next exercise. Please make it and check it. When I run this my code, enter your height is my height is 1.70 and my weight is 60. This is my BMI. Okay, remember that I please enter the height meter. Meter is a 1.7 is a floating number. Okay, use float variable when you making code. And my height is normal integer. Sorry, my weight is normal integer. If I give is floating point like 67.5, then I enter this in getting error, typing error. So height you will in float point, float variable, and weight is your integer. Okay, see you. Keep learn, keep reading. And before you make your program, please learn about BMI, Wikipedia, then you better understand.